right. 49 A and B, building 41. Branson's Holiday Hills Resort.
Hello, welcome to our 3-bedroom villa. We're going to show you first the 1-bedroom, and then so when you come in, you'll see A and B. So if you only had the 1-bedroom, you'd come in here. The only thing I don't like about that is because if we didn't know these people, it would be kind of weird.
Yeah.
I have to share this.
Yeah, you have to share like the foyer area. It's kind of weird.
Kind of weird. But we did a 3-bedroom. We're sharing it with friends of ours. They're not here yet. And so what was nice about that is that we can kind of help them set up a little bit. So this is the 1-bedroom. As you come in, this folds out into a pull-out couch. I already checked this side, so it'll go out there. View is just in the parking lot over here, but you see the fireplace. Very nice. Really cute, you know, little table for. We added all this stuff for our friends that are coming in. Normal refrigerator. You got your oven, microwave. Really cute, so small. It's so cute.
Where can you fit in this thing? Seriously.
Popcorn.
Like popcorn, and that's about it.
But fully equipped, what I love about these kind of things is that it's fully equipped. I think tonight before we come home though, we are going to go out and get popcorn or coffee because I forgot to bring it.
They give you one, but it's not very. No. I mean, they give you like one little thing.
Yeah, well, it's okay. We're here, but yeah, everything's fully equipped, so that's really cool. And they do give you like little things to kind of just start you off, you know, paper towel, trash cans, all that stuff. You know, just yeah, really nice. So basic toaster, all the stuff that you need if you're here for a little bit. So you come in here, you get your bathroom. They do the amenities. They have Dove products, so you don't have to bring your own unless you really want to. Normal size, standard. It's not like the Ritz-Carlton, but I think it's nice. Again, at least you don't have to bring your own stuff if you don't want that kind of stuff. Everything looks very clean, which I like. Then you got your closet that goes into the 1-bedroom as well. So we'll go right. How weird is it?
Ooh, it's like a maze.
So yeah, just standard 1-bedroom. Each side though, they do have their own closet space. I like that. I like not having to share.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh, that's nice. And then on that side, do they have the beach towels?
Yeah, they do.
You do have to take those to the pool.
There's your beach towels.
So they don't have pool towels there, so if you forget, unfortunately, you have to go back to your place. But yeah, standard dresser, you know. Yes, you can say that there's like little, like it's older, but at the same time, like we've stayed at Disney resorts before, like Key West, and honestly, this is similar. So
yeah.
I'll see if you're tall though.
Oh, and they have lights out here too.
They do. I like that. So for reading and stuff like that, it's nice. And they have a fan, which a lot of people like fans at night. So they have fan. The only thing I will say is if you're really tall, like,
yeah,
the ceilings are low.
Yeah.
In this 1-bedroom though, what they do not have, or what I have not seen, is the washer and dryer. We have it in ours, but maybe because I thought it was here, but that's their own door. So yeah, AC unit.
I wonder what that goes to.
Probably like the linens to make it easier. But
yeah, probably. I bet you it's the housekeeper.
Yeah, the standard 1-bedroom, and then you walk into the 2-bedroom. Pretty standard, a little bit more counter space here, which I like. Same amenities. You got your coffee pot, stove, different type of stove than over there.
The coffee pot is bigger than the one in there.
Is it? And then you got dishwasher. Looks just a little bit dirty, which I'll probably tell them. But microwave's bigger. Again, it comes with the same amenities, so I think
it's the same size fridge too. We added all this stuff there, but
yeah. So same size fridge. We brought our stuff just because we didn't know about the washers. You don't know. All right. So and then right here, what we have, they do have the washer and dryer, which I like because that way, if you're here for a couple days or like we road tripped and we don't have to bring everything, and they do even give you basically start you off. So that's nice because I meant to bring stuff and I did not. But yeah, just standard. And then again, a little bit bigger difference, big difference. Table's a little bit bigger. You still just have 4 chairs, and then this is a little bit bigger. But that will come out to.
This doesn't come out. This pulls out.
This part
yeah,
right here.
That part right there.
Will come out here to the bed. The only thing I haven't found is linens for it. So we creatures of habit brought our own pillows and blankets, so it's not a big deal. But if you don't, that might be something you have to call for and ask. And then it does go out to our patio. I'll show you that before the beds. It does go out to a patio. And we're on the first floor. It's kind of nice. You know, I did already look at it. They have all that so the bugs probably don't get it.
We are in the very back of the resort. The check-in desk is way up front, so we're behind the golf course.
Yeah.
It takes a while to get here, but we got a bunch of trees and stuff. I think then this is our room here. Do we have a patio to the? Or is that the other building?
I think it's the other one. I haven't looked. You can go look now.
I wonder if the fireplace works.
It does. It just says.
Glass and surface are hot while in use. Okay.
Yeah. You can, I don't know how you do it. I don't like to mess with them.
Oh, there you go. Just flip the switch. And there you go.
Okay.
Look at that. Okay, turn that off. It's hot right now.
Do not show the kids. Alright, so you got your standard bathroom over here. Again, it's very similar to the other one with towels, linens, all the products. Hair dryer, which I do like that it comes with a hair dryer, and these are so cute. Just like a little lotion in them. And then we'll show the kids.
This is the second bathroom.
That's
and then
our bathroom. That's our
yeah, and then the kids have their own bed, which they've already decorated it.
Closet. Two
Yeah.
closets.
So this looks like the exact same one as the other.
Yeah, but the only
But do they have a chair in the other one?
No, but I didn't see one. But
Yeah,
they have a
okay.
chair and then they have that. But yeah, it's
No,
a nice size.
Our remote is connected to the living room.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, look, I
Right.
can touch the ceiling.
It's in here.
That's just a regular box.
All right. Nothing fancy. All right.
Okay. Our kids are going a little cray-cray because they've been in the car for a few hours. So this is a master bedroom, if you will. If you
Yeah.
think about it. So again, same thing. Same closets. You got your beach, your pool towels if you want. You
can
got
set an alarm
charging
clock.
port right here, which I like.
Oh,
because,
very
you know,
cool.
for everything. That things, and then you do get to go out there in the.
Oh yeah. So this is our balcony that we. Okay. Yeah. There you go. So we came out there. That's the main dining area balcony. So yeah, look at that. Very cool. AC units. Yep. Oh, they have barbecue pits right there. All right, back to the room tour.
So yeah. All right, and then you have the big bathroom. So, very big, lots of space in here. So they put.
Ooh, look at that tub.
I think this is nice.
Oh yeah.
I mean, lots of space. I don't have to worry about. I always run out of like room for my toiletries and stuff. So
you can see like the little bits of wear and tear right here, but it's not like awful.
what did you do?
I turn on that light.
Fan. And then again, it comes with a hair dryer. I love that. All the like little amenities and stuff like that. So it's nice. You got storage underneath here if you need more towels, stuff like that. And then just, I don't know, regular toilet and then shower. So this is the only difference is that we got like our shower's a little different, you know. Honestly, it kind of reminds me of camping. But it's not bad.
Yeah.
I don't really care. Yeah.
All right, there you go.
So yeah, very. I would say basic. Like if you're wanting like the Ritz Carlton, okay. But I think it's gonna.
I'll put how many points we used right here for everything, but it was a 3-bedroom villa at the Holiday Hills Resort in Branson.
Yeah. Very nice.
Okay, there you go. Bye.